If you need to schedule a meeting quickly, Google Calendar makes it simple, fast, and easy to keep everyone on the same page. In this video, I'll show you how to set a meeting in Google Calendar step by step. Add guests, include a Google Meet link, and send the invite properly so your participants get all the details they need. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser. You can go directly to calendar.google.com, and once it loads, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. If you manage multiple accounts, this is an important first step because the meeting will be created under the account you're currently using. Once you're inside Google Calendar, look for the Create button. It's usually on the top left side of the screen. Click Create, and from the drop-down menu, choose Event. This opens the event window where you can enter all the important details for your meeting. Now go ahead and enter the meeting title. Try to make the title clear and specific so everyone knows what the event is about right away. For example, you can use something like Team Sync, Client Call, Project Review, or Weekly Planning Meeting. A good title helps keep your calendar organized and makes it easier to find the event later. Next, set the date and time for your meeting. Choose the exact day you want the meeting to happen, then select the start and end time. If this is a recurring meeting, you can also look for repeating options depending on your needs, but for a standard meeting, just choose the correct date and time and continue. After that, scroll down to the Guests section. This is where you can invite the participants by entering their email addresses. Type each email carefully because the invite will be sent directly to those addresses. You can add one guest or multiple guests, depending on how many people need to attend. If you're planning a video meeting, this is also the moment to add a Google Meet link if needed. Google Calendar often gives you the option to add Google Meet automatically, which is especially useful for remote meetings, team calls, and client conversations. If you want the meeting to happen in person, or if you want to include extra information, you can also add a location. This could be an office address, a conference room, or any other place where the meeting will take place. In the event details, you can also add meeting notes, agenda items, instructions, or anything else the guests should know before joining. This is a great place to include important links, preparation notes, or a short agenda so everyone comes ready. Once everything looks correct, take a moment to review the event details carefully. Check the meeting title, date, time, guest emails, Google Meet link, and location one more time to make sure nothing is missing. Then click Save. If you've added guests, Google Calendar will usually ask whether you want to send invitations. Click Send so the participants receive the meeting invite in their inbox. That way, they'll have all the details and can add the event to their own calendars. And that's it. You've just learned how to set a meeting in Google Calendar. It's a quick process once you know the steps, and it's one of the easiest ways to stay organized and keep your meetings professional. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.